coveralls, gumboots, aprons, medical masks, sanitizers are all available in adequate quantities in Uganda. We no longer have to rely on imports. Number 3 is the protracted response and fatigue. A full year of restricted social interactions has affected many people, including our frontline health workers, who cannot go home to see their families. There is fatigue, economic challenges, and burnout. The sooner the pandemic is brought under control, the better. The private sector to vaccinate their employees and also offer services to the population against COVID-19. The ministry would like to inform organizations that are interested in providing vaccines to their employees to write to the Director General Health Services requesting to import COVID-19 vaccines which are cleared by the World Health Organization for emergency use and approved by the National Drug Authority for use in Uganda that are eligible for vaccination. Importation will be allowed through the national medical stores for purposes of maintaining the cold chain and viability of the vaccine. Please note that the vaccines you will be importing, if authorized, are not for sale, but only for use within the organization. Additionally, the Ministry of Health is in the process of accrediting private health facilities to provide COVID-19 vaccination. That until everyone is vaccinated and protected, none of us is safe. It is your responsibility to ensure that the vaccination exercise at the district level takes place in a smooth manner. 2, ensure that all individuals in the priority groups receive their vaccine as is scheduled. Number 3, the vaccination exercise should continue even on weekends.